Hey, sir, what are you doing?
Cleaning out the... Oh, wait. I don't think I turned it on.
I turned it on.
Oh. Cleaning out the swamp cooler. Gets filled up with all the minerals and stuff, and then the water gets a little concentrated. So I drained it, but I'm going to refill it with about a gallon of water. And if you come over here, you can get a shot of all the mineral deposits in the water.
Yuck.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
So, will you explain to people why we use a swamp cooler? Because a lot of people say there's too much humidity in an RV to start with.
It's not really that humid with the AC run. We also run the AC, and this helps supplement the AC. One of our AC units is down, so it blows cold air back into our bedroom.
And another thing would probably be about how we've been camping in the desert mostly.
Yeah.
So it's not real humid. Yeah, you can see here that there's a lot of water deposits on our swamp cooler. Those little blue ice things, yes, those are the type of things that you put in your freezer and bring them out. And we have 4 of them that we rotate in this swamp cooler. As we see, you're filling that up with some more water.
Yeah, I put about a couple gallons in, and then I'll add probably a half gallon or so of white vinegar, which helps aid in cleaning out everything. This doesn't have changeable filters as far as I can tell, so I have to do this to keep everything cleaned out. It's plugged in, turn it on. It's on.
So you're actually turning it on outside to clean it out.
Well, yeah, because somebody complains about the vinegar smell if I do it inside.
Oh, I have no idea who that would be.
I wouldn't have a clue.
I see you're scrubbing it out with a brush to make sure that everything gets cleaned out good.
Oh yeah. Plus, there's little holes in here. I'll have to get some sort of toothpick or something to get in there. Get them opened up also.
We've got some Q-tips in the back bathroom.
And I said, did I say Q-tips? I meant skewers, toothpicks. Toothpicks or a skewer or something, you know?
Oh, okay. So how's that skewer thing working out for you?
Works out pretty good. And you get a little brush, a little smaller brush though, so I can get down in there better. Wait, I think I have one inside.
So what you doing now? Are you just sitting here waiting for it to marinate?
Yeah, I'm just letting it run, help clearing out the pump and everything. Saying howdy to the neighbors as they go by.
What you doing now?
I'm getting ready to flush her out.
Flush her out.
Flush her out.
He's got a gallon of water in his hand.
Shut it off first.
Is there a reason why you move it around while you pour it in?
This helps rinse the tray out.
How's the tank flushing doing?
Doing good. Can't tell it out here, but when I did it, the first time I emptied it inside in our shower, the water was quite brown and it had big chunks in it.
Yeah. So you're done, right?
All except for putting the plug in, which is very important.
Oh, that's real important.